Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Rediff mail account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Rediff mail account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address rediff.com, as I have typed it over here guys, and hit on enter. And after that, you'll be redirected to the home page of Rediff, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign in button available for us. Click on that sign in button, and then you'll be directed over here to the login page of your Rediff mail. And now in order to log in guys, simply enter your username over here with which you have signed up for a Rediff mail account, and after that enter your password over here guys. And after entering your username and your password with which you had created an account on Rediff, you can see the sign in button available over here. Click on that and you'll be logged into your Rediff mail account online on your computer. Or if you've forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve your Rediff mail account's password going through certain procedures. And with that being said, this is how to log into your Rediff mail account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.